Project Electrode was composed of two teams, which worked together to build the mechanical and electrical components of the automated electric foundry. Collaboration between both teams was essential, as the task of building this device was no easy feat. Project Electrode is a small and portable arc furnace, which can rapidly and safely melt a variety of metals, pour them into molds, and create a full casting, all with the press of a button. Some of its key features are a simple and interactive user interface, able to generate 4.2 kilowatts of power, but run on a standard 240 volt outlet. The use of argon gas preserves the electrode and also improves crucible longevity. The automated electric foundry is fully mobile and can be easily dismantled. This method of construction assists with transportation, maintenance, and storage if needed for future use. With modularity in mind, most of the components can be replaced if needed. The welder required to power the machine can also easily be disconnected and used for its original purpose. Due to the inherent dangers of high voltages and exposure to molten metals, a strong emphasis was placed on safety. This is why the foundry comes with numerous redundant mechanical and electronic safety features. They include locks and limit switches to control access during the machine's operation, a key switch to choose the mode and to prevent unauthorized use of the machine, an emergency stop button which follows CSA guidelines, independent circuits, so if the welder trips the breaker, the controller system remains powered while the fault is detected. The operator would then be notified with a visual and audible error code. The entire device is electrically grounded, so in the event of a short circuit, the operators are never at risk. A high-temperature splatter guard, protecting molten metal from splattering and to contain any accidental spills, if they should occur. The automated electric foundry is a simple and easy-to-use device. To begin your casting, pick out any scrap metal ranging from zinc, aluminum, copper, brass, or steel. Place the metal into the graphite crucible. Turn on the argon gas and the power. Turn the safety switch to either mode you desire. Then simply press the start button and watch the foundry melt and cast your sample. If at any point the arc is lost, the system will restrike the arc and continue the melting process. During the melting process, the electrode height is adjusted as the metal continues to melt. All parameters such as arc voltage and temperatures can be observed on the LCD monitors or through the software interface. Once the material is fully melted, the system safely shuts down the arc, retrieves the electrode, and pours the molten metal into the mold. The exhaust fan is then activated during this process to evacuate any smoke or gases from the melting chamber. The casting is now ready and can be removed for quenching and other post-casting processes. Our product was designed with safety and ease of manufacturing in mind. The use of advanced design techniques, such as airflow and heat simulations, allowed for a perfectly optimized solution for heat and gas dissipation. Manufacturing of the foundry is simple, as most of the custom-made components require only simple machining. While the use of aluminum extrusions promotes weight savings and ease of assembly, they also allow the entire machine to be assembled with just the use of Allen keys. Due to the reliability of the machine, very little maintenance is required. Tungsten electrodes are readily available at welding stores and can be easily swapped without the need of tools. The crucible requires minimal cleaning, just a simple brush down between uses, removing any slag left over. The automatic electric foundry is a groundbreaking machine which brings the casting process safely to students and hobbyists, opening doors to new possibilities in the realm of rapid prototyping and educational tools for students. We thank you for your time and to our sponsors who helped make this project a reality.